Hello, and thank you for joining me for another episode of the home bodyweight workout, home workout. What we're going to do today, is some chest exercises, and I'm going to do kind of a mixture of yoga and push-up exercises. You may have seen this; it's kind of used in MMA and things like that as a push-up, as an unusual form of a push-up, I guess you could say. So anyway, it's a push-up, but you kind of bring yourselves up, and let me demonstrate. So you start out about here, and then you come down, and then up, and then down. It's kind of a double push-up. And let me put my feet together. Okay. So, and you can vary the hand position quite a bit as you're doing them. Just make sure you breathe normally as you're doing them. So you're up, back, and then down, and then up the other way. Up on the back here. Down. Feet forward a little bit. Up this way. Make sure your feet are in the right position to go forward and back. You can see it really gets quite challenging after a while. Okay. So, it's basically like doing two push-ups in one. So you're doing a push-up on the way down. Doing a push-up on the way down, and then you're pushing yourself back up. So you're getting both negative and positive resistance in two directions on your chest. Okay. All right. So let's go one more time. Just one thing to remember is just make sure your feet are in the right position as you're doing them, and you can vary your hand position. I'm doing it about shoulder width, a little bit wider than shoulder width. So let's go one more time, and then up, and back, forward, up, down, back, forward, down, back, forward, and back. Actually, it really does get quite challenging after a while. It gives you a really nice pump. Like I say, you may have seen these like MMA fighters and stuff. They sometimes do these. So it's quite an effective little push-up exercise, especially since you're getting the positive and negative resistance from two different directions in your chest. All right, so let's start again. Not wasting too much time. My hands are about. You can do a wide grip and you can do a closer grip if you want to. Just keep your back straight. Up, forward, and then back. And it really is tough on the back when you're going back. Okay. Just make sure you're in control of the motion the entire time. But it's really quite a challenging exercise. It gives you a nice little workout. So, all right, that's one more time. Just keep going. Try to reach multiple points of failure, depending on your level, your exercise level. Forward, back, forward, up, back. Yeah, and you can really scale it, You can just, work out as hard as you can, work out to multiple levels of failure, multiple points of failure. Just be careful you don't injure yourself, as always with these exercises. Just always try to avoid injury if you feel any pain at all, or intense soreness or something, then stop. Anyway, so let's continue. Ooh. All right. So, starting to reach quickly. You know, with these, you will kind of reach a point of failure. So, yeah, it's good exercise though. It's really, really effective. All right, let's go one more time. Okay. Oh. All right. So, quite an effective exercise. Then just give it a quick flex. Try to rip the muscle a little bit more. And what I'll do actually is I'll do quite a quick superset or an add-on exercise to this. So just flex for about 20-30 seconds to, you know, give it a little extra pump. A little extra tear, a little extra pump. Okay, let's try to go one more time. Okay. That's actually pretty sore. But what I'm going to do as a kind of an additional exercise is I'm going to just do a straight wide grip push-up. So a little bit wide on the shoulder, just a straight push-up. Okay, and my muscles pretty tired already, so let's do a couple of these just to give it an extra add-on exercise. All right, one more time. Wide grip, breathe normally, back straight. Just make sure your form is good. All right. Okay. All right. And that, you know, the exercise, the down and up, it's kind of a mixture of yoga, actually, and push-ups where you're going down, up, down. Very effective. All right, so let's do one or two more of these and we'll call it quits. Okay, so as you're doing this, just always make sure you're in control of the motion. Always in control of the exercise. And I'm feeling a pretty good point of failure at this point. All right, so let's go one more time. This is just an add-on. All right, and just hold on the last one. Hold as long as you can. Okay. Whew. All right, so that is. Those are a couple of good exercises, you know, chest exercises that you can do quickly and easily at home. So they can be a little bit exhausting, especially, you know, just if you try to reach the multiple points of failure. But other than that, I mean, it's a really quick and effective exercise that you can do at home, and you know, it really doesn't take much time. You can do it in your free time, and yeah, and it works really well. You know, it gives you nice results, and you know, in a very short amount of time. So everyone, stay strong, keep working hard, and see you next time. And you know, and until then, everyone be safe out there, and just keep motivated, and never give up. Thank you. Bye bye.